What's up, friends? It's Coach Landers, and today in this video we are going to learn how to make a ball from things you have at home. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make a ball for our virtual PE classes this year. We'll be doing some possibly tossing and catching, rolling, maybe some juggling tricks and things like that. So I want you to know how to make a ball. If you don't have a ball at home, we're going to use some socks or some plastic bags. So you might want to pause the video, go get the supplies. You can choose what you would like. You can either use some socks like this. So I have a pair of short socks to give you an example. We're gonna hopefully make at least 3 of the same ball. So if you have enough to get like maybe 6 of these, because 2 socks is gonna make 1 ball. Or you can do the same thing with some long socks. So you see I have these nice SpongeBob socks here. And this is also a great time if you have that old sock drawer where all those single socks are hanging out, to find 2 that are kind of similar and use those. Ask your mom or dad maybe if they have some old socks that have lost their partner, has lost their pair, and they're just hanging out in that box in your laundry room and they've been sitting there for 2 years and now we're gonna get to use them. So your parents might be really excited. Or if you don't have any old socks, we can also get a plastic bag. You get 3 plastic bags and we're gonna make a ball out of 3 plastic bags. So you pause the video right now, and when you're done, you got either the socks or the plastic bags. And if you're doing the plastic bags, we're gonna also add some tape. You can use like some masking tape or any kind of tape that you want to, and come back and we'll get started. All right, so our first sock ball, we're gonna use these like shorter socks. I call them ankle socks. And what you wanna do is you take 1 ankle sock and you ball it up on a ball like this. And then you're gonna take your other ankle sock and you're gonna stuff this one inside where your foot would normally go in the hole, just like this. Stuff it down there all the way to the bottom of the sock. And that'll give you the base for your ball right there. And then what you wanna do is put your hand in the sock, like so. So I got my hand in the sock, I got the other sock stuffed in here, and then you're gonna twist it like this, maybe 1 or 2 times, and then grab it with your hand that's in the sock, and then pull it over like this. And that is already, look at that, it's ready to go. That is a nice sock ball for us. So I'm gonna be able to use this for different throwing and catching challenges, different activities that we might do in virtual PE class. So we're gonna have about 3 of these on hand for our different activities that we might do throughout the year. Now let's try it with the long sock next. All right, for this one, we've got 2 long SpongeBob socks. These are nice and long, as you can see, like Sunday sock style. And we're gonna do the same thing to start. We're gonna ball it up like this. And then we're gonna take the other sock and stuff it all the way to the bottom of the sock. So we're gonna stuff all the way down to the bottom, and then just leave it right there. So you got 1 ball, that's the ball base right there. And then you're gonna keep this hand in and you're gonna reach down almost all the way to the end. And then do the same thing, you're gonna twist it, grab it with the hand that's already in the sock, and then you're gonna pull it across like this. All right, now since this is longer, we're gonna do that step again. So we're gonna take our other hand, we're gonna reach down into the sock, we're gonna grab the ball, we're gonna twist, and then you're gonna hold it with your hand that's in the sock, and then pull it over like this. Do it again. I still got some. Now once you run out of space, you will hopefully have a ball, but I still have some floppy space here at the end. So I'm gonna do it again. Stick your hand in and twist. I'm gonna go 3 twists this time just to make sure it's nice and tight, and then grab it and pull it over. So there we go. Just squeeze it, try to get it into a nice round shape, and this is our second ball. So that's gonna be nice and squishy. It's not gonna break anything, hopefully, and it's about the size of my hand. So you want it to be about the size of your hand. You know, adult socks might work better. I should have said that at the beginning. So if you got kid socks, you might need to add an extra sock down there at the beginning if your ball is not big enough. But if your parents have some old spare adult socks, that might be a better bet for you. And then last but not least, I don't know about you, but we have got these plastic bags, a big bag of them under our sink that we use for our trash cans in our bathrooms. And so I'm getting 3 of these, And I'm just gonna ball up one, and then I'm gonna take it and put it inside another one, like so. And do the same thing, just ball it up, put it inside the third one, like so. And then if your grocery bags are about the same size as mine, that's getting to be the right size. So that's about the size of my hand. Now this isn't gonna stay very tight, which is why I like to have the tape. You can use any kind of tape that you want. I've got some painter's tape here. So you're just gonna put a wrap around the ball with that painter's tape, like this. So now I've got one stripe of tape. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and make a little X for the tape. And there we go. We got a plastic tape ball made out of plastic bags. We've got a ankle sock ball, and we have a longer, bigger sock ball. So we're gonna be able to use these for different activities that we might do throughout the year in PE class when we're doing our virtual PE. So hopefully you have one of these, and we wanna make hopefully all the balls the same way, so they're the same size and the same weight. That will make it a little bit easier for us for our challenges and our tasks that we have throughout the year. Hope that's helpful, friends, and if you do already have a small squishy ball that's safe for being inside, you can of course use that, but if not, there's 3 options for you. Talk to you soon. Hope you have an awesome day. Catch you later.